Hello all, hope everybody's having a good day. I've been very sick for a week now and I haven't been uploading videos, unfortunately. But this is a must. It's a requirement, a traditional requirement for Georgian families. This is New Year holiday candy. Very traditional, old, and probably the best natural candy full of vitamins and calories that you can find. Some people call it a Georgian Snickers. What it is it mainly consists of 3 ingredients. It is grape juice, straight up grape juice, boiled down and concentrated, flour, just regular flour, and walnuts. Most commonly walnuts are used, but you can also use hazelnuts, etc. We'll be making them of walnuts, so you see that they're strung up on a piece of string. And obviously I'm not going to shoot the whole process, but I'll show you how they're made. So I have here this contraption, which is the hanger. Once they're dipped into the juice, they will be hung to dry. It needs about a week to 2 weeks to dry. So let's start. I will then show you the end result once all of them are finished. There we go. That's one. Some of this will be dripping down, then you scrape it up. Let's do another. And then you can keep this dry, you can take it hiking, camping, and one of those things is almost a full meal. And of course, all natural. Some people do add sugar, just a bit, like maybe 2-3%. Some add honey, but we've done no additions. This is just pure grape juice, flour, and walnuts. There we go. So this, my friends, is the final result. This will take anywhere from 2 weeks to maybe even 3-4 weeks to dry. But once this dries, and you can start enjoying this in say 10 days, no issues, but the more it dries, the chewier it becomes, the outer shell, the grape juice. And this by far is the best Snickers bar, all natural Snickers bar that you can enjoy. Well, cheers, happy holidays, stay safe, subscribe, share, like, and behave yourselves.